Vellfires and Alphards, it's time to watch out because the Koreans have just introduced an MPV that promises to be just as, or if not even more luxurious than the Toyota Duos. This is the new locally assembled CKD Kia Carnival, and here are the 5 things that you need to know. In terms of appearance, it really isn't all that different to the existing fully imported model. You now get a full-width LED taillights, but that's really just about it. The unique 3D headlights and the 18-inch wheels are all the same as before, but if you really want to spot the difference between the two, well, you can look at the wing mirrors. The new CKD model has a smaller, more car-like wing mirror as opposed to the larger, van-like ones on the fully imported model. Other exterior highlights on the new CKD Kia Carnival includes the dual power sliding door with smart entry system alongside a smart powered tailgate. The powertrain underneath the bonnet is also unchanged from before, which is a 2.2-litre inline-4 turbo diesel unit making 199 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque with power sent to the front wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Kia says the Carnival can reach a top speed of 190 km per hour. The biggest change to the locally assembled Kia Carnival is actually on the inside, because it's now offered in a 7 or 8-seater configuration in addition to the 11-seater from the existing fully imported model. The 8-seater variants get a fully modular second row setup with seats that can be taken out and placed back facing backwards. But the main highlight of this model is actually this 7-seater range-topping variant with 2 captain-style seats called Premium Relaxation. They feature power adjustability and even comes with this zero gravity mode to really make you feel like you're sitting in a first-class cabin in here. Other standard features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a 12-speaker Bose sound system, and a tri-zone automatic climate control, including one at the back. The 2 higher-end variants add on a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 360-degree surround view monitor, dual-powered sunroof, ambient lighting, as well as heated and ventilated seats in front. And on this 7-seater variant, you even get them on the second-row captain seats. The Kia DriveWise Advanced Driver Assistance Suite is offered exclusively on the 2 higher-end variants with features including autonomous emergency braking with junction turning support, smart cruise control, lane keeping assist and lane following assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, as well as a high beam assist. Pricing for the locally assembled Kia Carnival starts from 231,000 ringgit for the 8-seater mid variant, rising up to 247,000 ringgit for the 8-seater high variant, and topping off at 261,000 ringgit for the range-topping 7-seater high variant. Also included in the price is a 5 years or 100,000 km warranty with free scheduled service maintenance. The existing 11-seater model will also still remain on sale as a fully imported model. For more information on the Kia Carnival, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.